Hi friends, welcome back everyone to Angel Trading Friend. So today again we are going to do the day 3 of our live trading session, and friends, there was some confusion among few people who were asking me that this was not the stock which was traded today and all those things. Friends, I just want to bring to information that I am uploading one day after the live trading. Reason because you know that I'll be busy till end of the day, so I'm able to record and only post the next day. So that is why you can see yesterday's video I am posting it today. Okay, so technically what happens is that there will be live trading videos uploaded on Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday and Saturday, and Monday I'm keeping it for my special training programs and the new videos which I upload for your knowledge and for improving your trading skills. Okay, so I don't want to mix both. That is the reason Monday we are keeping dedicating it to it. So all the Monday trades I'll be uploading on Tuesday, and the reason of uploading is because all those who have learned the trend analysis, they will be able to trade on the same platform. They'll also have a confidence booster, so that we all are on the same platform and we're doing the stock selection properly, the same kind of stock, and we are making money together. So it gives a world lot of confidence to all the people, those who have learned the trend analysis course from me. Okay friends, so today the quote which I felt very optimal is, we don't have to be smarter than the rest in order to make money in the stock market. Let me repeat, you don't have to be smarter than the rest, we only have to be more disciplined than the rest. So you would have seen my hell number of trading videos and live tradings and strategies and all those things. In everything you would have seen me promoting this one concept, that you have to be more disciplined than the rest. That is the reason we started this campaign as well, where I am posting the live trading videos and we are recording the daily trades, so that we maintain the discipline and we will know what's the situation every week, every month. And also friends, making money in stock market, you don't have to do lots of complicated things. It's very simple. So to show all these things only, this campaign has been started. Okay, so let us go through yesterday's live trading video. Okay, and our favorite, the stock was Infosys. Yeah, I'll just start it from the beginning. Yeah, so the stock was having a very good trend. uh, it was very bullish initially, and then we found that the stock was trending. As per our trend analysis, the stock was giving us a signal for a very good trend. Okay, so either going in a positive direction or going in a negative direction. And as you all know that I don't predict the stock market, I always keep a trap of buying and as well as selling. Whichever triggers first we will trade, another one we will be cancelling. Okay, so Infosys in a very good trending manner. Nifty also was very good, very well trending yesterday. So we are going to place OCO order, that is nothing but bracket order, and for calculating the target and stop loss, I am keeping 0.6% as my target. So I was calculating the target which is coming to 4.6. In the same way, I am keeping 0.4% for my stop loss. It gives a very good 1:1, 1:1.5 ratio, which is very good enough for making good money in the stock market. Now coming to the quantity, I don't want to lose more than 1000 rupees, which I told you earlier. So for 1000 rupees, let me calculate what will be the quantity. It will come to 333. So this is part of money management, friends, which you all have to learn. So you can see that my buy order is placed, it is trigger pending, and then the same way immediately I will place my sell order as well. So these are my levels for sell order, and the target and the stop loss still remains the same, 1:1.5 ratio, and then quantity also will remain the same. Okay, so I have placed my sell order as well. So you can find that now I have placed both my buy order as well as sell order, both are trigger pending. So this is the benefit of using an OCO order or an bracket order, which most of you will be aware. And what happens is, benefit is that out of this, if one gets triggered, you don't have to bother about placing the targets and stop losses and all those things. It will automatically execute, and we can peacefully spend our time with other activities and other jobs. And only thing which you have to do is, if one gets triggered out of these both, we have to cancel the other one. We will be trading only one per day. So this is also one of the discipline which you have to cultivate. Okay friends, so then what happened is, End of the day, yeah, this is at 3:15. Okay, you know that intraday orders will get closed at 3:15. So at around 3:13, still our target was not met. So then I was just able to record the video. I'll just show you. So you can see the time is around 3:13 and the profit was around 1,300, 1,200 in the range, struggling. So what happens? Most of them they will get panicked, and this is what usually happens when you look into the profit screen always. So usually you would have seen me that I don't look into my profit screen. End of the day only I look into the profit, whether it is profit or loss. But never the mind, this time I got some time, so I was able to look into the screen. So you can see that the sell average price was 464.70, which we had kept it for triggering, and then as of now it is 760.95. We are moving around at a profit of 1,200. So what we have to see is before 3:15 will our target be hit. This is what we have to observe. Okay, so it is going above 1,300. Yes, 1,398. Yeah, so these are all very crucial movements. Infy is at 761. So you can see that now the trade has been triggered, and let me just refresh it. No, still it is open. It is still open. Only the one order which we had cancelled, you can see that. The other ones are still open. So let us go back to our portfolio and see. Yes, we are still at 1,415 profit. We need another yes. So 1,500 is met. Let me just refresh. I'll just show you the order history. Let me just refresh the screen as well. Yeah, so you can see that my stop losses has been cancelled. There are no more open orders. Everything has been closed. And you can see the portfolio we have done with the profit of 1,531. So friends, you can see the average price, sell average price is 764 and the buy average price is 760.10. Target hit easily, and again once again we got a profit of 1,531, and this makes us the point that we have to update the file immediately. Yeah, so this is nothing but day 3, and the date was 8 February. So this is what many were getting confused, friends. Don't get confused. I'm just posting one day after. So this is yesterday's video, and the stock is Infy, and the profit we got is 1,500, and let me just see once again, 1,531. Yeah, 1,531, which is not bad enough, friends. So you can see that the overall profit is 4,556. So all 3 days we are in profit. We started the 60 days campaign and we have completed successfully day 3. So just let me just correct it. It's day 3. And a return of 4,556. You saw that we started with an investment of 50,000. So almost we are close to 9% returns in 1 week. Sorry, not even 1 week. It is just 3 days. So ideally what I suggest my friends is that if you are earning 3% or around 2 to 5% every week, we can stop trading for the week. But since we are doing this campaign, we will continue with full 60 days, because I want to show you that stock market, how do we do this journey systematically with discipline. And also please do maintain the Excel. All those who are doing this live analysis, all those who are doing this trend analysis with me, please maintain an Excel. It will give you a clear idea where you are doing mistakes, how your journey was, and all those things. And in case if you have any other doubts, you can always WhatsApp me. Okay friends, so last but not the least, the platform which I use for trading is Upstock, and Upstock is a very good platform promoted by Ratan Tata as well. And use the code promo code FEB300 in this month of February, and you'll be getting 300 rupees brokerage returns on your in your account, so that whatever you spent around 200-300 rupees for opening your trading account or the demat account will be returned back to you. And Upstock has got very good facilities for working people, because you have this OCO order available even for commodities. You'll also get notifications once your trade is triggered. So even if you're busy with any other work, just like WhatsApp, you get a notification, so that immediately you can log in into your screen, and then you can close the order, or you can alter the order, or whatever has to be done. You can do all those things. Okay friends, so anybody else, any confusion, any doubts, you can always WhatsApp me. My number is 8095 876525. And also, if in case if you want to learn this trend analysis course, because trend always matters. If you identify the trend, you'll be able to make very good money in the stock market. So in case if you want to learn this trend analysis course, you can also WhatsApp me. My number is 8095876525. And all of you who are continuing, who are trading along with me, who are with the journey of the 60-day challenge, it's time for us to enjoy the weekend, because one more day in profit, one more week in profit. So to be a time to be relaxed, and let us enjoy this weekend and start back fresh again next week on Monday. So till then, have a nice time. Thank you and goodbye.